There are a few professions that can actually save money on the home loan through a few different ways, depending on the profession that they actually work in. Now, I don't know about you, but I prefer to see money in your pocket rather than the bank's. And the good news is that for some people, they may be able to save on their home loan purely because of the profession that they work in. So if you want to know, number one, how you can save money, and number two, whether your profession qualifies, then keep watching. First off, let's take a look at the ways that you could potentially save money on your home loan if you satisfy the professional criteria for the various packages. Number one, you may be able to borrow a higher amount compared to the value of the property. This is referred to as loan to value ratio. So typically most people can borrow 80% loan to value ratio, which means they can borrow up to 80% of the property's value before something that's called lender's mortgage insurance kicks in. Now, if you're a professional, you may be able to borrow up to 85%, and in some case 90% before lender's mortgage insurance even kicks in. Now, I've seen that this could potentially save tens of thousands of dollars on lender's mortgage insurance premiums alone. So if you qualify for this and you're potentially thinking about borrowing a higher LVR, then this is definitely something you should look at. Now, the second way that is fairly common is a professional's interest rate discount. So banks and lenders recognise that as a professional you've probably spent years studying, gaining experience, therefore they see you as a lower risk. And banks, especially at the moment, love lower risk clients, and this enables you to essentially get deeper discounts from what may be publicly available. So if you're wondering, make sure that you get in contact with someone that knows what they're talking about in order to see whether you can get those deeper discounts I'm talking about. So I guess you're now wondering what professions could qualify for these professional discounts and LMI waivers. Well, it's the broad professions that people tend to work in that can qualify for these discounts are medical professionals, accounting and finance managers, solicitors and other legal professionals, some allied health professionals, some engineering professionals, and then there can be some other various professions that may actually qualify for a discount. But the best thing to do is to actually reach out to someone who knows about professional packages, and they'll be able to help you figure out whether you qualify. There are a number of other professions that may actually qualify for one of these discounts. So the best point or the best course of action is to reach out and speak to someone who is knowledgeable about these professional packages, such as Pearl Financial, and they can walk you through the process and help you understand whether you actually qualify.